Greetings to the world from the Berrystrip smallholding homestead, Cornwall, UK. Hello, I'm Jason. Please subscribe to our channel and please check out our website. Right, the fruit trees is what we've got here, and I had to give that a good watering because that's the new one. Right, going on down as you do with the dog. Well, she's stop. That's useful. Right on cue. Right, let's see if we can get some feeding done. Plants here, and there's the tomatoes and the peas, and there's the raspberries. Sorry, I always do that when I say raspberries. Sunflowers, they're doing whatever they're doing. More flowers here, and plants, and things. Whatever else there is. Right, let's tackle. Yep. Right, here we go. These are here waiting for me. It's easy to pick up. Put one inside of the other. Right, here we go. Find some pony food. Oh! Yes! You'll be rattly too. It's a bit of a rattly day. Right. Just a scoop. Really good. One for one. One for another. There's a little bit of seaweed powder. All good. Put this back in. Rattle the lid. Alright. There we go. Done that. These guys. I'll put that down my neck so I gotta push my glasses back up on my face. There we go. Right. Tempest and the kids. Merlin and Co. I noticed one of the ends is at the back. I have to check around a bit. Emerald and her companions. 3 ducks. And who have we got here? Meringue and chocolate. I'm going to drop one of these down a minute. Oh! Right, here you go, Meringue. That's yours. That's him. Chocolate! You go down. Good girl. Yeah. That's chocolates. That's that. Oh, that's them first for a minute. Oh. Your crackers! Right. Woo! Yeah. But, always down this end. Where he was when I was at the other end. Yes. Do I know you? Do I know you? Thank you very much for that. Let's get set, go! Right, that's them gone. Oh, as you do. Ow. Okay, just shut that myself. Right. I don't actually think anybody's laying any eggs. No. I think they've all given up for a bit. Right, they're sticking out. Let's need tending to. Keep saying that. Right, let's see if I can. Oh, I've done that bit wrong. Done that my own way. Right, the drinker. Drink her water. Have a drink of water. Right. I get out of here. Put that in there so I can shut this. One end. Gonna bolt this up. Don't want to lose my chicken. Cock on up. As you do. Right, there's that. Put that there. Right, let's go back and do some more. Oh, excuse me. My fingers are hurting. Oh, pardon me. I've gone from one bad thing to another. I'm sorry. I wouldn't excuse me because I was feeling good because my fingers are really sore. And then I ended up burping. That's a good. Right, I gotta. Whoa, I need you back in, darling. There you go. 2, 4, 6. Oh, okay. It was in at the back. Okay. Wait, mindful. It was a bit mindful if Anne disappears off by herself. Chicken are the sort of thing if they get a bit downhill, they don't kind of bring themselves back. When they're poorly, they go downhill and downhill, and that's that sort of idea. There's no happy-go medium. Either well or not well. Sorry, my finger is in the way. I did tell you my fingers are sore. Alright, I'm going to put this down in a minute. Put that there. Be fine in a second. That's that. Get a bit more food for Emerald. There's a bit of food. I might need a little bit more actually. Just a touch more. Not too much more. Just a touch. Hello? You alright? What are you doing? Be careful not to scat your food everywhere. Right. Oh, made a load of thing. There you go, all around. Oh, horse. Yes, that's a lot to say. That's a lot to say. It is a lot to say. Right, I'm just going to check, go through the motions about looking for eggs. I don't think there's going to be any. Nope, I don't think anybody's laying presently. I don't know if you actually heard me in a sentence in one of the videos. The chicken actually started laying after not laying for a while, dead on the 1st of January this year. I couldn't believe it was so cold. It really bewildered me, but I tell you what, how about I don't forget this water? Yeah, actually that's got quite a lot of water in it. Tell you what, this needs some. What I'm going to do, you got water in it, it just needs to clean out just the dirty water around the edge. I do that earlier. There's quite a bit of water in that still. Yeah, that can go back in as yes. Oh, there you go. Yep. Quite a lot of water in that still. It's quite weighty. Right, which is surprising. Right. That's everybody fed and put the scoop away. Oh, if you haven't had the chance, may invite you to look at our website. We're also on Patreon, and other social media sites and other things available. Obviously, if you like what we do, you can subscribe, like, share, tap on the notification bell. You can catch up what we're doing, what the livestock are up to, and generally everything that we do, basically, in a nutshell. Right, there's a little drop of water in here from before, which won't be enough to do Roland and Co, but that'll do Tempest and the kids. Ta-da! Okay. And to go back again. Didn't really think about that, did I? No. Sorry if my hand or the drinker or something else gets in the way of the viewpoint screen, whichever way you want to put it. In the way of the camera, anyway. There we go. You think Tempest is getting a bit old? Excuse me! That roost! Go on! Run up to me and attack on my boot! Yes, right! You cheeky one!